Human nature. Whoso trusteth in the Lord, happy is he. Proverbs chapter 16 verse 20. There is much in our nature that perplexes us. Many people are disturbed as they confront the troubling riddle of their own existence. They are bewildered by their proneness to sin and evil. They quake and tremble at the thought of their inability to cope with their own lives. Christ can give you satisfying answers to such questions as who am I? Why was I born? What am I doing here? Where am I going? All of the great questions of life can be measured when you come by faith to Jesus Christ and receive Him as your Lord. Let Him be your pilot. He can take away the worry from your life. Prayer for the day. I trust you, Lord, to control my life. Knowing you will guide me in the right path gives me joy.